It's true. I can't believe it. The saltwater crocodile, seen here on Salt Spring Island. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Let's see if I can zoom in a little closer without spooking him. Oh, look at the size. That's got to be 35, 45 feet long. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, this is absolutely incredible. I don't want to talk too loud, because I might spook it, and then my life would be in danger. Oh, for fuck's sakes! What, Peter? Jesus, what are you doing? Like, I'm trying to make a movie here. Like, I could sell this to fucking like National Geographic. Make some coin out of it. You ruined it,
Robin. For Christ's sakes, here, take this. For God's sakes.
All right, fuck. All right, cheers. All right, thanks, Peter.
Christ.
Anyway, I'll talk to you Monday. More on this soon. Well, that wasn't bad.